So as we are speaking now, the teams actually finalize the impact evaluation design for their own respective project.
The magnitude of this was something. This was larger than anything else we've done before, and I think probably one of the largest impact evaluation workshops ever. Right? We sort of came together actually around about 6 or 8 months ago, and the idea was thinking about how can we bring the work that DIME does, which is bringing operations and research closer together and bringing it to scale.
That is our long-term aim, that the government would have the capacity to manage and deliver the results in the long term.
Now we are in a position where we've got the baseline, we've got the teams, the structures in place to actually move forward on this agenda. So this is the starting point.
That means that the project team will continue to work together with the researchers to help generate the evidence that would be used, not just at the end of the project, but throughout the project.
We think about this in very hypothetical ways, and we think, okay, evidence-based policy is such an amazing thing, and we should always be doing that. But when you sort of dig deeper and you say, okay, what is evidence-based policy? What does that actually mean? This is it, right? This is it. It's bringing together teams to think about how to use evidence to inform their projects and potentially and hopefully change them and make them even better and achieve a higher impact.